lesson we will see arrays in SystemVerilog. So like other language, we have arrays in SystemVerilog as well. We will see arrays here also. So first definition, what is arrays? What is array? So array is a collection of multiple element of same data type. So see, this is very important word, same data type. So it's a collection of multiple elements of same data type. This is what you have to remember. Stored under a single name. So this is how example is. If I will tell you, can you please declare a int data type 5 variable? So how you will declare? Like this, right? Int a0, a1, a2, a3, a4, like that you will declare, correct? So instead of doing this, so this is one way of declaring a variable. That is okay. This is also correct. Instead of this, what we will do is we will get 4 separate variable. Instead of creating 4 separate variable, we will use this int a and then square bracket. We will mention the how many variable we want to create. So how many variable this will create? Total 4 variable this will create, right? So this is how it will create 0, 1, a0, a1, a2, a3, like that it will create. Now we have one array name a. So this is the name of the array. Okay, so every time this is the name of the array. A is the name of the array containing how many elements? Total 4 element. So see, A is a array name. It contains 4 element, and what is the type? That is int type. Okay, integer element, int type element. Okay. Now array are non-singular. What is the meaning of this non-singular? See, this is the singular because int a, only one variable is there. Only one variable you declared. But here you are declaring how many variable? 5 variable. So this is not a singular. This is a non-singular. Okay. So this is how it looks like. See, a, this is the variable name a. Now you are making how many variables using a variable? Here 3, actually 4. So a0 will be one variable, a1 will be one variable, a2 will be one variable, a of 3 will be another variable. So total 4 variable we are declaring. Now the question is, why do we need array? So this is a valid question, right? So without array, how you will declare? If I will say declare 5 int type of variable, so you will declare like this, right? Int data 0, this is a variable name, this is a variable name, this is the data type. So see, same data type I told you declare 5 times, so you are declaring like this: data 0, data 1, data 2, data 3, data 4. So this is the one way of declaring a variable, 5 variable of same data type. So this is messy, right? This is not looking good, and it is not what you can say, it is not more reusable. Okay, so it takes more space as well. So many things is there. So instead of that, what we can do is we can declare like this: int data and 5. So when you are doing like this now, then it is declaring how many? 5 variable of same type, int type. Okay, so this will make, this makes it what it is making. It is making easier, right? So instead of doing this, what you will do? You just declare like this. So it will also declare total 5 variable. It will also create total 5 variable. This make easier. This is easier, right? This looks very easier than this one, and it store multiple values. Okay, and access. And now the question is, here you are accessing one by one, but here you have to access using individual index. So what is the index? I will tell you later, but just for now, you have to access array using index. Array element, how will you access? Using index. Then process value using loop. So, okay, we will use loop, and pass and handle a group of value as a collection. Okay, I will explain all these statement. So I told you we have to access using loop. So total how many variable we have declared here? Total size 5, right? So I will have to use loop. If you know the loop, then okay. Otherwise, just see here. I will explain the little bit. But in later session, we have loops in our session. Okay, it's a separate session where we will see all types of loops. So here int I is equals to 0. So I am starting basically from 0. I am going less than 5. So this will be your initialization, this will be your condition, and this will be your increment. So every time when I start with the 0, so here instead of I, what it will come? 0. 0 multiplied by 10, everything will be 0. So what I am doing here, if you see here, what I am doing actually, if you see, then I am doing data of 0th element is equals to 0. Similarly, data of first element, what it will be? In the array, first element data will be 1 multiplied by 10, that will be 10. Like this it will go to where? Data of 4 is equals to 4 into 10, how much? 40. So this will go like this. Okay, then I told you I will tell you what is the index as well. So here you see what is index. So index identify a individual element of array. So it is used to identify the individual element in a array. So how? I will show you here. So for example, int a of 4. So total array size is how many? How much it is? 4, right? So if you see here, total you are creating 4 variables. Then how will you identify which variable is this? So using indices, you have to use indices. So this will look like this. So this is the array name. Now using this array name, you have to create 4 variable. So create 4 variable, you have to use index. Without using index, how will you tell this is a first variable, second variable, third variable? You can't tell, right? So that's why we have to use index. So when I am using index, then I am creating 4 variable. So this is how it looks. This is a 0th index, this is a first index, this is second, and this is third. So if you see total 4 indexes there, means 4 element, means 4 variable. Okay, so this is how you have to put the value like this. This is 0th index value, this will be second index value, third index value, and this will be fourth index value. So first, second, third, fourth. Okay, but here you are seeing one thing, that every time I am starting index with 0, I will tell you it is a not 100 every time true. But yes, we are using now we are using the 0th as a first index. But later we will see it is not 100%. It's not every time correct, not 100%, it's not every time correct. So here what it will be, a of 0 I am assigning value as 10, a of 1 I am assigning 10, 20, then 30, then 40, like this. Okay, so you see, then we will see later on one notes is there. So what is that notes? For array declaration of a of n. So see here, a of n means this is the array name and this is the size. When size is mentioned as n means 3, 4, 5, 10, 20, 50, 100, anything. The default index, in this case default index will be a start from 0 and it will go to n minus 1. Okay, but system will also allow you to explicitly choose the index. So in this example, you see, if you see in this example, then you will find something else. So in this example, what is that? Int of you have an array of int type, and then this is the array name and this is the size. So in this case, this is your LSB part, 0 is your LSB part, and 3 is your MSB part. So in this case, index will start from where? 3. So this is the starting. In this case, it's not started from 0. In this case, it is started from 3. So this is the starting point of this index. Okay, this is the starting point. So if you mention here 1, then here it will come to the 1 only, 0 won't come. It will come till the 1 only, 0 won't come. Okay, so this is how. It's not every time, it is not like every time it will start from 0 only. It depends how you declare the size of the array. If you mention like this, in this case start from 3. If you mention like this, int of a 3, in this case it will start from 0. Okay, it will start from 0, it will go 3 minus 1, which will be equals to 2. So start from 0, it will go to 2. Okay, I hope you understood. Okay guys, then like the video, subscribe my channel for the further updates. Bye guys.